you know it's true. Oh, he can't paint. Oh, yeah. The man can't paint. It's sad but true. Kovar can't paint, and so can you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kovar Can't Paint. I'm Kovar. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button there in the bottom right hand corner. Really appreciate it. Up there in the left hand corner is my faithful K and 9 Oreo. Always there for me to just hang out while I paint. So today, if this is your first time watching this, thank you for watching. And I am a beginner painter. I am not an expert, but I've been tracking my progress every week here on YouTube. Today I am going to attempt to paint this lovely ink and wash flower arrangement. I'm not exactly sure who painted it. I just found it on my escapades of scrolling Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. So if you guys know who the artist is, I'd love to know, and I definitely will give them put their name in the below if we find out. I picked this painting. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that this is right up my alley as far as style is concerned. I love ink and wash. I love the ink pen and then going in with some simple color and filling it in. I think this is just a perfect example of something that's definitely my style. I also felt like it was very doable. It didn't seem that complex, and I am a beginner, so I felt like I could attack this one. I decided to go in with pencil first. And all I did was with the pencil was I just did placement. So I made some marks where the glass ended, and then I sort of made some circles where I thought each flower was going to end up. And then I stopped there with the pencils and then grabbed my pen and started creating the flowers. One thing that's really, this painting is so cool because it's just, listen, these artists who make these paintings, they understand shape, they understand proportion, they understand juxtaposition. This is nothing I understand. And I give all the credit to this artist that, he's figured out or she has figured out, what makes a painting look good. And I'm just getting up here and copying and trying to do the best I can and learn from them and learn from their proportions every time I sit down. Also, I want to thank you guys for all your comments. I love getting your comments. So if you have something to say, or you like something, or you don't like something, or you have some advice for me, I'm always open for advice. Being a beginner, you guys have taught me so much already, just in the simple comments that you've left, and I always incorporate those into my work. Try to bring them into every piece that I do. So please, if you get a chance, leave a comment. I always respond, and I'm always happy to hear from you guys. So the fun part about this painting, because it's not super difficult, I'm not trying to paint a face or trying to get proportions exactly right. In fact, getting the proportions, just having fun with the proportions and sort of goofing off with the pen there a little bit. The fun now is going in and trying to create these colors by mixing them on my palette and trying to find the right hue and the right color that goes with the vibe of this painting. So this is just a very, very enjoyable painting to approach, and I'm glad I'm trying it. definitely a little bit of a challenge to get these colors close to what the original artist did. I am allowing myself to go off that a little bit, but I'm also challenging myself to try to get at least the hue, the depth of color the same. You know, even if it's not a perfect match, I kind of want that same amount of pastel or see-throughness. What am I looking for here, guys? Help me speak. Yeah, that's definitely the challenge here, is finding these colors that the artist made this beautiful painting with. I love the simple effect that this ink and wash does by creating this see-through glass. Such an easy effect, and that nice little green shadow on the wall behind the jar. I feel like that sort of sells the depth of this painting in a very like one stroke kind of way. You know, it gives it enough depth so it doesn't feel completely flat, but also you know, it's super simple. And this is definitely my favorite kind of art, at least, and I'm definitely going to be pursuing this more and more, as you know, and as you've seen. At the end here, I realized I felt like I was missing some more depth with the black pen, so I went over a lot of the original marks to bring that ink back out, and I'm really glad I did. Something was missing, and when I went back in with the black pen and just started hitting those, oops, I made a mistake there. I dropped some ink there. There was paint on my hand when I rested it there, but got it out. Look at that. Learning. So yeah, I think adding that ink there at the very end really helps sell the look. Well, that's it, guys. Don't forget to sign your paintings. Let me know what you think of this one. And of course, we can play our game if you like. Is it hangable? I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. But I'm going to vote heck yeah on this one. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Sad but true, so true. Kovar can't paint, and so can you.
It's pretty cool. I love it.